tayo ng Action 4. Unbox natin ngayon ito guys. Okay na?
I-unbox na dito sa bilihan, makasira.
Review. Action camera. Ito guys, ino-open natin itong zoom camera. Ito yung pinaka-camera niya guys. Ito sa ano.
That X-Force. Here's the camera here.
Camera. Ito yung stand. Ito yung kanyang battery. Ito yung kanyang camera.
This is a holder.
This holder. Yan. Yung kanyang holder. Yung kanyang camera. Parang maliit. Check natin yung baterya guys. Yan.
Eh, may charge din ng kasama.
Yan, tatlo yung baterya niya guys. Oh, isa. Dalawa. Tatlo.
Yung isa walang nakasaksak doon.
Tapos ito yung kanyang memory.
Memory, 250.
256 GB. Ito yung
Ayan,
camera
Action
guys. Medyo parang maliit lang.
Magaan lang yan. Itong latest, better than ng GoPro.
Action 4.
Better than GoPro.
DJ.
With a stabilizer built in. So you can run anywhere you want.
The memory and tapos dito
Now,
tayo.
I made activate for you.
Yes.
Activation.
Yeah.
When you make vlogging, you can run anywhere. You can move. So that it stabilize your move. This is the better one than GoPro. So buy now. Only here in
Abdul Wahid,
Abdul Wahid, Sarawat, and Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. There is free warranty 1 year. You can demand all you want here, free, right?
Yes.
There is also installment if you don't have enough cash. Installment,
Zero interest.
zero interest. So the same with cash or installment, the same, no interest. So come on, buy now.
Tapos ito yung kanyang waterproofing guys.
Anyhow, the accessories this one like stick, joystick, and waterproof is different from the original price of camera. Since there's already package deal with
Ito yung kanyang
See that one for the case for underwater.
yes, underwater
Yeah, he go underwater 60 meter.
60 meter without this waterproof case only 16 meter.
Yeah. Without it be 18.
18 meter,
Now with case 60.
60 meter deep
Yeah.
under the sea.
Yeah. Ahmed. Ahmed.
So this also stick is float when you drop out in the sea.
Floating.
It's floating this
Yeah,
one.
floating come up.
So you don't need to dive more than deeper because it will float itself.
Ahmed. Mark. Get it. روح حمام. Sorry, I go to toilet.
Ada poko ada. Ada maki poko.
adalin sa
Ala ada. Asan iji hina? Iji ala tol. Ayo guys.
ito, lens.
Nice one. Aywa. Nice one. Huh? Nice one. See? Battery inside. See how is it?
Yes.
Yes. You see here. Hello. See? How's it? Yalla. Just play and then see. I will open it. Okay, today it's 24.
Not 24, 23 now. 2024, 23.
24? You are still in 23. I'm going with him with 24. خلاص.
Now 23.
Still 23?
Date.
Day 23.
Hey.
But it's years is it 2024, yes.
Hey.
If you want to stay on 23, stay alone. Okay.
Okay.
What time is it?
Time set. Anong oras na kami?
Here. Today it's 17:25. 17:25. Great. Hello. See? Yes. Now it's working. See?
It's working.
Yeah.
to die.
Good. See?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And
Come
then
on,
this
you
is front.
restore.
Yes. Yes. Huh? And floating. When you come down, you leave it. It's going up.
Oh.
By itself. Yes. It will not come down.
Yan.
Tapos na?
And then, son,
Tapos na?
Ay, may magaan lang to.
Tapos na?
yan ang magpapalutang.
Oh. Ito. Patay ko na.
Ilulubog rin yan sa dagat.
Ah?
Ilulubog.
Oh, patay mo.
Siyempre. Okay na yan.
Shout out guys. Shout out.
Yan, nandito kami sa Sarawat guys.
Guys.
Namili kami ng pampalaman ng tiyan.
Guys, tira.
Yan, gusto niyang bumili ng damit. 70%, 30%, 50%. Yan. Yes guys, tira daw.
Sabihin mo, guys, tira.
Yan. Yan, nag-shoutout ko sa inyo lahat.
Guys, tira. Oh, sige.
Bilhin mo na.
Sige na. Ito ka. Sige na, guys, tira.
Tingin tayo dito ng gold. Ayan.
Ayan.
Mga gold. Yan. Yan ang ilang megapixel kaya yan.
1080 lang oh. 1080. 1080.
Ano 1080?
1080 ano?
Eh sa'yo, ilan?
Toke. Tapos bababaan mo yung yung ratings RS.
Oh, tapos?
Ilalagay mo sa 24 kasi hindi tinatanggap eh.
Ay, ito kaya meron. Makatapit kasi ano naman yan.
Ay, pala ka. Kasal yan.
Subukan lang natin, di ba? Ano meron? Hindi nga.
Wala. Peace daw, peace. Sabi
Ay, ito.
Okay.
wala nga daw eh.
Yan, tanong mo, magkano?
Doon daw sa kabila daw.
Ayan. Ano daw? Ha? Ayun doon, magkano?
Nandun ay ilan tayo? 150 o 200? 150? Eh, yun na lang, no?
Ito, importante doon yung mabigat eh. Kasi baka pag nakatayo, sabagay, pwede mo naman ibabayan eh.
Lagyan mo ba ito ha? Ano yung bigat?
At mo lalagyan ng bato. Nakakunan ko na yan eh. Ayan guys, so pili na kayo ng gold. Sapatos. Ayun, nakakita na kayo. Ha? Ayun. Ha? Ulit. Oh. Ano yan? Bibilin mo?
May nagpapabili sa akin eh.
Ah, tanong mo, magkano? Yan, picturean mo. Yan is Ayan guys, ito na yung review ng camera na nabili natin na 2,204.
Sabi ko hindi ka bumibili.
Ano daw?
Ayun daw, hindi mo bibili.
Bakit?
Suman daw, suman.
muna, hawakan mo nga. Dagiga.
Alin?
Sakit pa na Sonic medyo.
Oh,
Yun yung kaya yun.
alin?
Razor ko. Ay, hindi. Computer ata ito. No?
Computer yun eh. Dapat dala-dala mo yun, yung razor. Para masukat.
Dagiga.
Dapat dala-dala mo yun para masukat yung ano.
Voltahe. Baka mamaya. Ano daw? Ang computer yun.
Ang computer yun, tsaka hindi naman charger yun eh. Cable yun eh. Ay, oo.
Ano? Nakabili ka na?
Wala daw eh.